guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Poppy Playtime chapter 5 game not launching, crashing, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Poppy Playtime chapter 5 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check for an update option, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to check clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage, choose clear persistent storage. Next is to clear Xbox cache. For that, open settings, click on system, click on storage, then highlight storage device and press Y button on controller for device options. Under it, choose clear system cache. At last, confirm it by pressing yes. Next method is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, click on choose network settings, click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated and to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, first open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open kite. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system, click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next method is to reinstall Poppy Playtime chapter 5 game. So first press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps. Select CL option. Here select Poppy Playtime chapter 5, then press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Poppy Playtime chapter 5 game official website and download the game and then launch it and check. Next is to contact support. So finally, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.